Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you back to Newburgh, New York. And for the 7th year in a row, we welcome you to Spring Slam. I am Jerry Strauss, and we are kicking things off with one of the most popular DJs in the New York area. Mr. Wolf's got the mic.
Where are all my NFL graduates? Where are you? So I want to thank everybody for coming out. I'm Jack Hammer from 94.3, 97.3, The Wolf, your Hudson Valley Country Station. I want to thank Northeast Wrestling for having me back. It's great to be back at Newburgh Free Academy. Graduated here a couple of years ago. We're going to see a great match tonight. Got a lot of stuff going on. We are your Hudson Valley Country Station, and I'm very glad to be here. You guys ready to see some good fights?
Hold the phone. This pre-event radio promotion clearly being interrupted by Robbie E. Straight from the Jersey Shore. What's he doing out here now? Not so sure about that.
So DJ, hit my music, bro.
Oh, wait a second. This isn't the kind of show that these people are here to see. What the heck is this? It looks like he's having a seizure. Can too much tanning cause seizures? Well, he's mighty proud of himself.
Hamster, do you think you can do a better job entertaining these people? Do you think you can do a better job?
Oh, wait a second. Well, this is a bit too far in my estimation. Oh, come on.
I'm not a wrestler, but I got a friend who is a wrestler. And my friend is your opponent. Welcome, Big
Oh boy! He's here! Big Sexy! Big Daddy Cool! Call him what you will! One of the biggest stars in professional wrestling history! And it looks like this match is going to happen here and now, whether Robbie E likes it or not. Newburgh on their feet for the former multiple-time world heavyweight champion.
So, what were you doing on your fist, what?
Fist pumping, bro.
Fist pumping?
Yeah. You got a problem, man?
I must make something different than I used to, right?
What? What's that supposed to mean? Huh?
Weren't you on live TV last night in Disneyland or wherever you guys did that crappy TNA?
You think you're funny, bro. You think you're funny. You know what? The both of you two, man.
You need to watch your mouth because I'm pretty good friends with Hogan and I'll sick his daughter on you. I'll put the wrath of Brooke on you, dude.
Don't do that, man. Don't do that.
Get your fake tan butt in here right now over here.
Kevin Nash ready to get down to business, and this is certainly going to be a size mismatch for Robbie E. And Nash looks fit. He's agile. Looks to be in tip-top condition, ready to go. Nash loves to joke around. He loves to have a good time, but make no mistake about it. Certainly one of the toughest competitors ever to set foot inside or over the top rope into a wrestling ring. Kevin Keenan, your referee. Robbie E trying to delay the opening bell as long as possible. He doesn't seem to want any part of Kevin Nash. And there we go. The bell is rung. Has it tolled for Robbie E? We're about to find out. More delaying from the man from the New Jersey Shore. Well, anything Nash can do, Robbie can do shinier. And here goes Big Sexy. Brutal, physical, methodical. Certainly in that upper echelon of great giants. 7-footers in the history of pro wrestling, but out of all of them, he just might be the smartest, the most strategic, and absolutely plowing his elbow into that spray tan jaw of Robbie E. Into the ropes now. Misses the clothesline. Robbie E. goes down low. Sound strategy. Maybe a survival strategy for Robbie E. And Nash is down. Mission accomplished. But that's just part one. Robbie's got a long way to go if he wants to walk out of here with a win over Big Sexy. Robbie attacking that knee. We know Nash has had problems with his knees. And now Robbie had problems with Nash's knee. Big boot. Down goes Robbie. And this could be the beginning of the end. The straps are down. Robbie is up and down. Jackknife. Just like that. And I believe this might be academic, but these fans, they're not done with Robbie E. They want to see it again.
See if I can knock the tan off this time.
Kevin Nash, the crowd pleaser, loads him up, drops him down. You could count to 1,000. He came, he saw, he sent Robbie E. right back to the New Jersey Shore. Big Sexy Kevin Nash kicks off Spring Slam with a giant-sized win. And folks, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Tonight we will see the Northeast Wrestling debut of Bobby Lashley. The Northeast Wrestling Championship on the line and so much more. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.